I have been working at the lab for a little bit over 4 years, and some of the things that I really enjoy that make me want to stay here are all the different and interesting projects we do, so always something different, and also working with my colleagues who are really awesome people and fun to work with.
The work-life balance at the lab as a whole is phenomenal. People really respect your time as a person and really respect you as a researcher. And so I think it's a very well-balanced, laid-back place to work. And it's also very driven. Everybody loves doing what they're doing, and they wouldn't be here if they wouldn't. So I think that's, for the most part, is kind of how I would describe it.
I would say that thrill of discovery in a larger sense is just the desire to learn. And this is an environment where I learn every single day. I have to in order to be able to do my job, but it's also one of the most compelling things about the work. So learning is what I get out of bed to come here and do, and it's certainly a part of every single day.
I've been at BBTD for 4.5 years. I joined as a postdoc and recently converted to staff scientist. And I decided to stay and work in BBTD because I get to work with great people and do great science.
We get to kind of tackle the question of where are we going to get our energy from in the future, and how can we reduce our reliance on other countries for energy. And that's something that maybe other companies may be working on that, but we aren't hindered by the kind of constraints that maybe private sector companies have. So we get to really focus on some of those tough questions.
I don't know what an average day looks like yet. Even after 2.5 years, it's hard to say that there really is one, but I think some of the themes that define a typical day, one is people, communication. That's fundamental to, I think, what we all do at the lab, but particularly in the sciences when we work on multidisciplinary teams, communication is absolutely essential.
BBTD is a wonderful place to work. The people are amazing, the research is cutting edge, and it's so exciting. And there's so much freedom associated with what you can do. Like, if you're interested in something, if you can find money to do it, you can research it.
I can easily interface with experts across a wide variety of different fields and be able to tackle great science and solve significant challenges that impact the nation and the world.